Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little fence that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to give this a couple of coats of white paint. Once that is all painted, I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to grab this little chickie that I got at Dollar Tree also. And I'm just going to coat the outside edge of the chickie with some white paint. Just a quick coat so that when I sand off the scrapbook paper, you won't see the unfinished wood, or if I happen to cut the scrapbook paper wrong, you won't see the unfinished wood. I also painted the back because I paint the back of all my projects. And I knew you would be able to see the chickie through the fence slats, so I wanted to make sure that it was white. Next, I took the scrapbook paper I got at Hobby Lobby and I traced the little chick out on it, and now I'm just going to cut it out. Once I have that all cut out, I am going to make sure that it fits, and then I'm just going to put a nice coat of Mod Podge right on my little chick, making sure that it's all even. And then I'm just going to lay my scrapbook paper on, so making sure that I get all the little parts, those little edges, you know, like his little beak. And then just lay it on, and then I'm just going to let that dry. Once it was dry, I'm just going to take my sander, and I'm just going to sand off all of the excess paper. And then for the little areas that I couldn't get in with the big sander, I'm just going to use a nail file. So I use that around like his little feet, the little things on the head, right around his beak. And the nail file really helps with that a lot. So once I have it all sanded, I'm going to lay it onto the fence and kind of figure out where I want to place it. And I decided on the middle, so I'm just going to take some hot glue and then place it down right in the center of the fence. And then I made this little messy bow with some ribbons that matched the color of the paper. And I'm just going to put that right around the neck. And then I had a little button that also matched, and I'm going to add that to the center of the bow. So I thought it was kind of plain, so I grabbed these little flower cutouts that I got, I believe, at Dollar Tree, and I think I got some at Hobby Lobby as well. And I'm just going to paint each flower. I took 3 of them. I'm going to paint 1 blue, 1 yellow, and 1 green. And what I did was take my scrapbook paper, put it up against my paints, and decided which colors matched the paper better. And then I wanted to paint each flower a different color in the paper. So this one I'm going to do the yellow, and this matches the yellow that's on the flowers, and the same with the blue. And then the green that I did brings out the colors of the leaves on the flowers in the scrapbook paper. So I wanted it to kind of all flow together. I did the same thing with the ribbons in the messy bow. I picked, you know, the colors that matched the scrapbook paper. So once I had those all painted and they were dry, I'm just going to take some Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm going to use that to place the flowers on. So just going to add a little bit to the back of each one, and then just kind of randomly place them around the fence. So I did the yellow and the blue flowers up at the top. I kind of staggered them, and then I did the little green one at the bottom. And I think this was the perfect finishing touch for this project, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos. And be sure to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a new video.